So anyway, now I'm spacing out, but hope everybody's having a good day. And thanks for listening if you listened to my rant, because I know we hear it too often. We don't like people complaining, but man, these masks are just connected to something that is just not right, not natural, not normal, and should not be the new normal. Yeah, it's definitely not. Those are man-made masks. It's not nature-made. I mean, get a leaf and put a leaf over your mouth. Really, if you want to, that's the closest to natural that it can get. All right, I'm done. Bye, guys.